Let me just check our time. We're running late, so I'm going to throw a couple of things into the trash can and just try and move quickly. I'm Mitch Shannon. If I understood Mark's presentation, he seems to be suggesting that the PAB commissioner isn't spending enough time in fish and chip shops, which his wife might agree with. I don't know. Be that as it may, it's time to play the third period, so we'll get going. We're going to propose some solutions to the primary care environment this morning. That's obviously a very tall order. Fortunately, we've got a great panel here. We've got some terrific senior executives from a range of different pharma companies across Canada. First slide. Yeah, okay. Not to lower the tone of the event with crass commercialization, but these steak knives are really quite wonderful, and if you want to buy some advertising in the next 15 minutes, you'll really impress your family if you bring those home. I should say that everything I know about marketing and sales I learned from Billy Mays. Okay, in the next hour you're going to hear a bunch of interesting things: how to allocate your strained budget to allocate your resources effectively, how to market to the evolving primary care team, how to prioritize and measure your current marketing resources, and the question to GP or not to GP, where to assign your detailing efforts. And I think one of the nice things about Obamacare coming in is that DTC advertising may be cut back a little bit, and with that we'll finally have an end to the DTC jokes we've been hearing for the last 10 years. So the GP problem in general, well, I mean, this is something I came across, but there's a great body of literature to this effect. This is from a British journal about half a dozen years ago. I think part of the problem is when you're looking at reform and change, GPs like things the way they've been. You know, they like drug reps, they like getting drug samples, they like freebies, and there's a list of things there, and a couple of comments. So I mean, I see that as a potential barrier to reform. But that said, I'm going to let our session speakers deal with this. I did have some questions that we'll post to the conference website. That's www.pharmacongress.info, and I'll have this on my LinkedIn site as well if anyone wants to see that. So our session speakers, Ron Clark from Nycomed, he'll go first. Aaron Craven from Graceways joined us from London. Dean Michelin from Valeo in Montreal, and Mike Tremblay from Astellas. So I'll turn it over to Ron first.